Creating a stunning flower garden can be a beautiful and rewarding experience. Here are some tips and tricks to help you create a flower garden that will be the envy of your neighborhood. Choose the right location. Choose a location that gets plenty of sunlight, that is also protected from strong winds. Make sure the soil is well draining and rich in organic matter. Decide on a color scheme. Decide on a color scheme for your garden and choose plants that will complement each other. You can create a monochromatic garden with different shades of the same color, or a garden with contrasting colors. Plan your garden. Before you start planting, make a plan for your garden. Decide on the shape and size of your garden and where you want to place plants, paths, and features such as benches or trellises. Choose the right plants. Choose plants that are healthy and have strong roots. Look for plants that are appropriate for your climate and soil conditions, and consider their growth habits and maintenance requirements. Add texture. Mix different textures and foliage to add interest to your garden. Consider adding plants with variegated leaves or plants with different shapes and sizes. Create a focal point. A focal point, such as a large tree or statue, can add interest and depth to your garden. Place it in a strategic location where it can be seen from different angles. Use containers. Use containers to add height and interest to your garden. You can plant flowers in containers and place them on the ground or hang them from trellises or walls. Provide adequate care. Make sure to water and fertilize your plants regularly and deadhead them as needed to encourage new growth and blooming. By following these tips and tricks, you can create a stunning flower garden that will be a beautiful and relaxing retreat for years to come.